I wonder what it feels like to travel with myself alone. Because I think na-experience ko na lahat. Syempre, yung usual is with Miggy. I feel like I love travels the most with Miggy because iba yung dynamic. Pag kaming dalawa lang, iba talaga yung dynamic. I guess when there's just the two of you, wala masyadong input ng ibang tao. So, mas madali mag-decide. And of course, you're more like yourself because it's your if it's your safe person, it's your safe space. So, of course, I love it when it's just me and Miggy. We are the slowest travelers when we are together. We are the slowest travelers, pero at the same time, we get to cross out mas maraming things compared to when we have more people with us. Because we are slow travelers in such a way na parang, we stay in a hotel 2-3 nights minimum kasi we really want to enjoy it. Parang we really want to parang tahe ourselves in the place. Hindi yung parang binisit lang namin and go. Parang ganun. We really want to see how people eat their breakfast in this place, watch the sunset, like super slow. Parang ganun. And then with my team, I am a mom. I am a mom talaga na parang lahat ng bagay iniisip ko. Nakakain na ba si ganito? Nawawala ba si ganito? I-book mo si ganito, si ganyan. And then I realized they're all old already. But with my team, I am a mom. I make sure we eat great food. That is my love language. As in finding the best restaurants my team could eat at. And then with friends, I'm also a mom. My gosh.
Can I just say, okay, I'm gonna butt in real quick. Something I really love about Mama Marie is I've traveled there a couple of times already. Something, dalawa na for work. Actually 3 kasi yung isa dalawang countries and then isa with friends.
Yeah.
But every time, you know what, you're gonna appreciate her kasi kapag alam niya na merong isang person na first time dun sa country na yun, girl, kahit ata gasgas na sa isip niya, yung sasama siya. And then she will ask you talaga, alin dyan, sasabihin niya, okay, anong non-negotiable mo dito sa country na to? Or ano yung gusto mong makita? And then they will really, she's not gonna let you just go there alone. If she can, she will go with you para alam mo, okay, ito yung mga dapat iwasan. But still, pupunta pa din kayo sa gusto mong puntahan.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko, like feeling nyo na, experience nyo na kasi napuntahan mo na. Pero also when you go there a different time, a different season, with a different group of people, it's really different. So, yan yung aking number 1 line if I'm in a, lalo na kami, ang dami natin, my gosh, ilan kami, diba? So, I always ask them like, sa dami natin, hindi lahat ng gustuhan nyo, mapupuntahan natin. So, give me your non-negotiable and we'll try to fit it. So, I am a mom to my friends and my team when we travel. I just really want to make sure their tummies are full and their hearts are full and happy. So, yun. Pero, I am a different type of person with my family. I'm a monster. Hindi ko na-realize na, oh my gosh, grabe. I'm a monster in such a way na parang sobrang hyper ng utak ko. Kasi my parents are are senior citizens. So, ibang klase yung pagka, madulas to. Oh my gosh, na-realize ko, the way they were to me, I'm that person now. Especially when I went to Finland. Syempre, extreme weathers. Imagine -27. And I have both my mom and my dad, parehong senior citizens. Yung mga sinasabi nila sa atin dati, yung parang, asan na passport mo? Huwag ka na umihi. Paalis na yung eroplano. Ganun ako sa kanila and hindi ko alam na ma-unleash yung ganung type of person sa akin. I thought I was a nurturing mom to Miggy, my team and my friends, but to my parents, she is a different kind of monster. Kasi parang ang hyper lang ng utak ko, making sure they are safe, making sure na hindi walang maiiwan ng eroplano. And like, when I went to Finland, I was with my parents and my sister. And my sister, my little sister also. So, I was caring for 4 human beings.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud of myself. Grabe, hindi ko talaga alam na there's that person in me na parang, ako yung nagagalit sa mom ko. But not in a bad way. Alam mo yung talagang, madudulas ka, yung shoelace mo. Bakit hitek mo isa lang? Tapos, lahat huhubarin mo, ililipat mo sa kanila. My gosh, but it was an experience.
Yeah, that's real. Pero totoo naman kasi, talaga namang at some point in our lives, the tables will turn. And the world will turn as well. And
correct.
Unknowingly, unexpectedly, you would see yourself in their shoes. Correct. Parang, okay, talaga namang umiikot ang mundo.
At sobrang emotional nung moment na yun because I think it's such a quiet moment. It's a quiet moment not a lot of people talk about. When the tables na have switched na, when the roles have switched already, Miggy, no one talks about that. No one tells you when exactly it's gonna happen. For me, it happened in that trip, and wow, it's such a quiet moment na you also don't tell them about because
Oo.
ayaw mo naman umiyak, di ba?
Oo.
But when I'm back in my room and then you realize na, oh wow, I did all of that today. And then it reminds, and it's, for me I'm very, very grateful for that moment because I don't think I'll be able to care for them the same way they cared for me. But I think in those small travel moments, I get to do it. So I'm very, very grateful. Yeah.
Yes. And kanina you've mentioned, sige, I'll go more into your fiance, Miggy, and your travel together.
Yes.
Just because I know that you guys have a lot now.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think what people don't know, or I think people, what they don't see on the videos is really what happens kapag meron tayong mga travel hiccups with our significant others.
Oh, yeah.
Or kapag merong mga
Syempre, wala
arguments.
sa vlog yan.
Oo, syempre hindi natin isasama sa vlog. Guys, alangan namang isama ko sa vlog yung sasabihin ko, ang tagal-tagal mo naman! Diba? Hindi naman sinasama yung ganyan.
Correct.
But I know, admittedly, for everyone, sabi nga nila, travel is a test of relationship.
Correct.
So how do you guys deal with that? Was there any, yung biggest fight nyo ba it happened during a travel?
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so Miggy and I have been together for 12 years already. You can imagine. We started dating, I was 18 years old. And then I think I was 22, 23, we started traveling already. So ang dami na namin countries together. Mga 15. Mga ganyan, 15 countries together. Yung iba dyan paulit-ulit pa. So, tama. It's when you travel that you learn more about your partner. You see but the thing is, parang si Miggy yung marami natutunan about me. Parang hindi ata siya. He is the organized one. I'm organized in terms of planning. But in terms of gamit, grabe. Yung pagka-organize ni Miggy, you guys have no idea. Alam niyo yung meme na parang may lalapit na parang may extra space ka pa dyan? Ako yun. Kasi sobrang linis ng gamit niya. But babe, may extra space ka pa dyan. But kidding aside, I think our biggest fight happened in Japan. We were very young. I think one of our first few trips to Japan, to the point na uuwi siya sis.
Ay, talaga?
Sabi, hindi ko kaya matulog mag-isa, hindi ko pwede umuwi. As in, uuwi na siya. So, sobrang pikon niya talaga sa akin. But I think yun yung mga first few times na we were traveling together. And it's a good learning experience, no? It will make you or break you. In our case, it really brought us, I guess, closer to each other. It made us stronger. Sana naman, it will make you, not break you. Kasi for us, every time we have a new learning about each other. I remember, during our Hawaii trip, it's his plan, diba? Sabi ko, plano niya, ganyan. Nung nandun na, hindi ko nga mapigilan yung pagiging Virgo ko. Bigla akong nakikialam. Na, by ganitong 2 p.m., maybe we can go here, we can do that. So nakikialam na ako. Tapos sabi niya, love, it's okay if you pause sometimes. Let me. So parang medyo at some point, mga 30 minutes na bad trip siya sa akin kasi parang, I planned this, diba? Mag-go with the flow ka lang. Walang mawawala. So, that trip made me realize that okay, it's okay for me to pause, and it's okay if I let other people do things for me. It's not gonna make me less of a human, but I can allow people in. So yun, I think every travel naman, I learned something new about him the same way he learns more about me. I think Miggy and I did that also. We did like parang 10 things we're grateful for this trip. And we named a few learnings from each other also. Yeah.
So is there a change in your system together throughout the years?
Yes.
May nagbago?
Oo naman. Yung tipong na-accept ko na ang gamit niya ay gamit niya. Ang gamit ko ay gamit ko. Na-accept na rin niya na that side of the room, it's messy. I know it's stressing your head. But it's not your side. Huwag ka na ma-stress. Yung mga ganun. Kasi sometimes the little things we stress about it. But then I realized the small things you cannot change. Yung ba yung sinasabi nila na hindi niya sinasara yung lid ng toothpaste. Ako pala yun. Hindi ko sinasara yung lid ng toothpaste. Every night naiirita ka kasi babe, ayaw mo. It takes 2 seconds to literally close it. Not talk about it. Don't ruin your day. The little things, you let it go. It's not gonna break your relationship. It's not gonna, alam mo yun, wala yung malaking impact. So, isarado mo lang yung close ng, babe, diba? Isarado mo lang yung close ng toothpaste. Huwag na paulit-ulit na, babe, sabi ko sa'yo, wala na, diba? So, the little things, you take the little adjustments. It's not gonna break your relationship. It's, hindi naman alam mo yun, sometimes kasi it's just pride, diba? So, yun. Aside from that, we give each other time.
Mm-mm.
So, I realized that I'm the type of person that when I'm mad, I want to talk about it right then and there.
Mm-mm.
Galit ka, galit ako ngayon. Parang podcast.
Oo.
Pag-usapan natin yan.
Oo.
Si Miggy naman, when he's mad, he wants time.
Mm-mm.
Like, give him his space. So, nagkaroon kami ng compromise. Ang compromise, gusto mo time. Ako, gusto ko usap agad. Yung time mo, max 10 minutes. O, nagbigay ako. At least
Totoo
nagbigay.
naman.
At least nagbigay, diba? So, we give each other, sige, 10 minutes, alis mo ng kwarto, maya-maya, okay, sige, pag-usapan na. And then when we decide na it's over, tama na, no pride, no ego, it's over, done. Walang mananalo. Walang mananalo. We realize that it's always the two of us against the problem. It's never the two of us against each other talaga.
Loving the episode of Wired to Wander? For more stories abroad, travel hacks, and spot recos, don't forget to stay connected to our socials. Catch the full-length episode and discover how to make every trip smoother. Only on Wired to Wander, powered by Smart Tra V.